Welcome to this in-depth review of Acton, a marketing automation platform designed for businesses that need powerful tools to streamline their marketing efforts. If you've been searching for a platform to manage email campaigns, track leads, and automate workflows, Acton claims to offer a comprehensive solution. In this video, I'll take you through a real user experience, exploring its key features, ease of use, pricing, and whether it's worth the investment. When you first log into Acton, you're greeted with a modern and intuitive dashboard. The layout is clean and well organized, making it easy to navigate through different features. On the left side, you'll find the main menu, which gives access to core functionalities like email campaigns, automation, lead scoring, landing pages, and analytics. The first thing that stands out is how customizable the dashboard is. You can arrange widgets and metrics based on what matters most to your business. One of Acton's strongest features is its email marketing automation. Creating an email campaign is straightforward, thanks to the drag-and-drop editor that allows you to design visually appealing emails without needing any coding knowledge. You can customize templates, set up A/B testing, and personalize messages based on customer data. The automation tools let you build sophisticated workflows, ensuring that your audience receives the right content at the right time based on their behavior and engagement history. Lead management is another core function of Acton. The platform offers robust lead scoring, helping businesses prioritize potential customers based on their interactions with emails, website content, and social media. The CRM integration feature ensures that your sales and marketing teams stay aligned, improving the overall efficiency of your business processes. Another highlight of Acton is its landing page builder. You can create custom landing pages with a simple drag-and-drop interface, optimizing them for lead generation and conversions. The built-in SEO tools and analytics provide insights into how well your pages are performing, making it easier to refine your strategy over time. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Moving on to analytics and reporting, Acton provides detailed insights into your marketing performance. You can track open rates, click-through rates, lead conversions, and customer engagement metrics. The customizable reports allow you to analyze specific campaigns and understand which strategies are driving results. When it comes to integrations, Acton supports a variety of third-party applications, including major CRM platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Microsoft Dynamics. This ensures seamless data syncing and enhances workflow efficiency. If you rely on multiple marketing tools, Acton's integrations make it easier to centralize your operations. One important consideration is pricing. Acton offers different plans based on the size and needs of your business. While it provides powerful features, some users may find the pricing higher compared to other marketing automation tools. However, the scalability and comprehensive functionality may justify the cost for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution. In terms of support, Acton provides customer assistance through live chat, email, and a knowledge base. The platform also offers webinars and training materials to help users maximize their experience. However, response times for customer support can vary, so it's something to keep in mind if you require immediate assistance. Is Acton worth it? It depends on your business needs. If you're looking for a robust marketing automation platform with advanced lead nurturing, detailed analytics, and CRM integration, Acton is a solid choice. However, if you're a small business on a tight budget, you might want to explore alternatives with lower pricing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of marketing tools and software.